User interface design patterns are recurring components which designers use to solve common problems in interfaces.
Like, for example, when we think about those regular things that often are repeating themselves or kind of appear in complex environments, we need to show things that matter to people when they matter and nothing else, right? It's just really sad what we see. Like, for example, if you look at Sears, right? Sears is just one of the many e-commerce sites. Nothing groundbreaking here. So you click on one of the filters and then the entire interface freezes and then there is a refresh and you're being scrolled up. And I always ask myself, is it really the best we can do? Is it really the best kind of interface for filtering that we can come up with? Or can we do it a bit better? Because we can do it a bit better. So this is a great example where you have Galaxis, and on Galaxis you have all these filters, which are in rows. Sometimes they take 3 rows, sometimes 4 rows, sometimes 5 rows. That's okay, show people filters, show people buttons. If they're important, show them, right? But what's important here, what I really like, is we do not automatically refresh. Instead, we go ahead and say, hey, choose as many filters as you like, right? And then whenever you click on show results, it's only then when you actually get an update coming up in the back, right? Which I think is perfectly fine. You don't need to auto-update all the time. And that's especially critical when you're actually talking about the mobile view, right? Filter, sure, why not? Slide in, slide out, although I'd probably prefer accordions instead, right? And you just click on show products, and it's only then when you return back to the other selection of filters, and only when you click, okay, show all products, then you actually get to load all the products, right?
Designing good UI patterns is important because it leads to a better user experience, reduces usability issues, and ultimately contributes to the success of a product or application. It's a critical aspect of user-centered design and product development.